Okay. So what do you think I've been working on for a long time, right? Like The Exister, right? The book The Exister. But now it's more like a book. What it looks like is this, though. Talking about this subject now. What gets people into the Colosseum category? An individual. Well, I thought about this for a while. Let's say everything is stars. We're in like endless conversation amongst stars. No, in stars, or somewhere in a faculty of a star. Well, the Earth could be a faculty of a star. Stars are much more massive than the planet, but it could be like a division of land that we get to understand a little. But I tell you a situation and stuff. I know it seems preposterous, but it's probably not. Anyway, we're in like oceans of stars, endless star conversations, man. The problem is where you are now in your life is what this conversation's led up to in your perspective. Okay. The problem is what gets you into the Colosseum category, really. What gets you into such a predicament that goes beyond your capacity easily? Especially if you do everything right. Usually, if you yourself do everything right, no one should be in the Colosseum. Is the mystery of the Colosseum? No, there should be no gladiators. There should be no rock stars. Really, there should be no fame. There should be fame, maybe, but not too much of it. Nothing. That can be malicious, almost like not malicious, but like a detriment, a severe detriment. Now, the problem of this is you have to understand what gets you that smoked, because what it is not all the things that you've done, really, or said. It happens to be something quite the opposite. That's really what it is, and it cracks people up so much. It's all the things you never will do, all the things you never endeavor upon and never care to. It's all the things that you always miss easily and you don't care about. That's how odd. That's a ration of things that you think are irrational or something that you wouldn't deal with. Why you're so fucked is because of a ration. Because if you've existed for a long time, that happens. Rations happen. They could be in your favor or not. Usually, in most situations, they're not. But they can be in your favor eventually, depending on how you deal with stuff. The problem is, why do you think things go to extents that are detrimental? Well, this has been the chaos. It's like going into chaos. It's like we're heading towards a chaotic conversation, at least, and much odder. It looks like this, though. The ration keeps on wanting to know why you don't do this or that. It's a weird situation, and I tell you why. It looks like something that is preposterous too. Because why should a lot of individuals do this or that, let's say? And you know what I'm talking about, like things they would never do, ever. The thing of it is this. What creates rations? Going back to the incomplete circle of man, right? All right. Talking about the workforce too, and talking about this. this, going back to the workforce and then this problem as the minimal side. Well, yeah, now I know you want to understand that, like the artists, the ones in entertainment and fun stuff. The funny thing, I can tell you though, the funny thing is it all equates eventually as to what the problem's always been. When the guys in entertainment are like a cigarette, or women too, for the workforce, which is like the majority supposedly, which is not really true, it gets to be complicated. Okay? It gets to be something that becomes a passion. And I'll leave it at that for now.